Welcome to this tutorial on NumPy with Matplotlib Visualization. In this video, you'll learn how to transform your NumPy arrays into beautiful, insightful visualizations using Matplotlib, Python's most popular plotting library. Whether you're analyzing data for research, business, or personal projects, mastering these visualization techniques will help you communicate your findings effectively. Matplotlib is Python's most comprehensive and widely used plotting and visualization library. It allows you to create static, animated, and interactive visualizations with ease. What makes Matplotlib particularly powerful is how seamlessly it works with NumPy arrays, making it the perfect partner for data visualization. The library offers complete control over every aspect of your plots, from simple line charts to complex multi-dimensional visualizations. This flexibility means you can create exactly the visual representation your data needs. Before we begin creating visualizations, let's set up our environment. First, install Matplotlib using pip install matplotlib. Once installed, you'll need to import two libraries. Import NumPy as NP for numerical operations, and import matplotlib.pyplot as PLT for creating plots. Don't worry if you haven't installed NumPy separately, as it's typically installed automatically as a Matplotlib dependency. This simple setup is all you need to start visualizing your data. Let's create our first visualization, a basic line plot. We start by creating two NumPy arrays. The X array contains values 0 through 5, and the Y array contains their doubles, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. To create the plot, we use plt.plot, passing in our X and Y arrays. We then add labels to our axes using xLabel and iLabel and give our plot a title with plt.title. Finally, plt.show displays the visualization. This creates a simple line graph that connects all our data points, showing the linear relationship between X and Y. Scatter plots are ideal for displaying individual data points and identifying patterns or correlations. Here, we generate 50 random values each for X and Y using np.random.rand. The plt.scatter function creates our scatter plot. We customize it with several parameters. S equals 100 sets the size of each point, C equals blue sets the color, and alpha equals 0.6 adds transparency. We add axis labels and a title just like before. Scatter plots are particularly useful when you want to see the distribution of data points rather than connecting them with lines. Bar charts are perfect for comparing discrete categories or grouped data. We create a categories array containing 5 letters, A, B, C, D, and E. The values array holds their corresponding numerical values. Using plt.bar, we create vertical bars for each category, with the color parameter set to coral for a warm, appealing appearance. After adding axis labels and a title, we display the chart. Bar charts make it easy to compare different categories at a glance, making them essential for presentations and reports. Histograms help us understand the distribution of continuous data by grouping values into bins. We generate 1,000 random values from a normal distribution using np.random.random. The plt.hist function creates our histogram with 30 bins, dividing the data range into 30 equal intervals. We set the color to sky blue and add black edges to each bar for clarity. Histograms are invaluable for understanding data distribution, identifying outliers, and seeing whether your data follows a normal distribution or has other patterns. Sometimes you need to compare multiple visualizations side by side. Matplotlib Subplots feature lets you arrange multiple plots in a grid layout. We create a 2x2 grid using plt.subplots, which gives us 4 separate plotting areas. We can then create different plot types in each position: a line plot in the top left, a scatter plot in the top right, a bar chart in the bottom left, and a histogram in the bottom right. The tight_layout function automatically adjusts spacing to prevent overlapping elements. This approach is perfect for comprehensive data analysis and comparison. Matplotlib offers extensive customization options to make your plots professional and informative. You can customize colors and styles by adjusting line styles, colors, markers, and transparency levels to match your needs or brand. Add grids, legends, and annotations to improve clarity and help viewers understand your data better. Control figure dimensions using the fig size parameter to ensure your plots fit perfectly in reports or presentations. Finally, you can save your plots in various formats using plt.savefig, allowing you to export them as PNG, PDF, or other image formats for sharing and publication. Let's recap what we've learned. Matplotlib transforms NumPy arrays into compelling visual narratives, making complex data easy to understand. You have multiple plot types available for different data visualization needs, from line plots and scatter plots to bar charts and histograms. The library provides extensive customization options for creating professional-grade outputs that meet your specific requirements. And with Subplots, you can enable comprehensive multi-dimensional data analysis by comparing multiple visualizations side by side. Now, you have the foundation to start visualizing your own data. Practice with different datasets, experiment with customization options, and you'll soon be creating impressive data visualizations. Start visualizing your data today.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.